Hi, I'm Darian and this is Your Daily Question. Today we'll be going over how to solve question 35 from the 2018 4th and 5th grade Math at School Masters. In the figure, e to h are distinct counting numbers from 1 to 9 that satisfy the four equations. What is the product of e, f, g, and h? To solve this question, we solve for each letter individually using casework. First, we solve for e. E times g equals 12, which means that e is a factor of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now we test the factors. 12 has 2 digits, so it is not possible. 1 is not possible, since if e equals 1, for e divided by f equals 2, f equals 1/2, which cannot happen. 2 is not possible, since if e equals 2, for e times g equals 12, g equals 6, but then g plus h equals 3, and thus h equals -3, which cannot happen. 3 is not possible, since if e equals 3, for e divided by f equals 2, f equals 3 over 2, which cannot happen. 4 is not possible, since if e equals 4, for e times g equals 12, g equals 3, but then g plus h equals 3, and thus h equals 0, which cannot happen. This leaves e equals 6 as the only possibility. Then, e divided by f equals 2, 6 divided by f equals 2, and f equals 3. E times g equals 12, 6 times g equals 12, and g equals 2, and g plus h equals 3, 2 plus h equals 3, and h equals 1. With e equals 6, f equals 3, g equals 2, and h equals 1, the product of e, f, g, and h is 6 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 36, and that is our answer. That's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.